In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise account number. If you need to receive money through Wise and want to locate your account details quickly, this process is very simple. I'll walk you through exactly where to go so you can find the information you need without any confusion. To begin, open Wise and go to the Wise homepage. Make sure you're signed into your account first, since your account details won't be visible unless you're logged in. Once you're on the home screen, take a moment to look over the main dashboard. This is where Wise gives you access to balances, transfers, and the banking detail connected to your account. From the home page, click on Account Details. This is the section where Wise stores the bank information for the currencies you hold. If you have multiple currency balances in your Wise account, this area is especially useful because it lets you see the specific receiving details for each one. Depending on your screen size or whether you're using the desktop site, the layout may look slightly different, but the option you need will still be labeled Account Details. After that, click on Philippine Peso. This opens the account information associated with your Philippine Peso balance. In this section, Wise will display the relevant receiving details for that currency, including the account number, if it's available, for that balance. Be sure to read the information carefully since Wise sometimes provides additional notes about how the account can be used, what types of transfers are supported, or whether there are any limitations for receiving money in that currency. Once you're in the Philippine Peso account details page, you can review the information shown and copy the account number if needed. If you're sharing these details with someone so they can send you money, it's always a good idea to double check that you're looking at the correct currency before sending anything out. Using the wrong currency details can sometimes cause delays or failed transfers. And that's it. By going to the Wise homepage, opening account details, and selecting Philippine Peso, you can quickly find your Wise account number for that balance. If you found this helpful, you can follow the same general process for other currencies in your Wise account as well.